Jen here from 3D Universe up in Fairbanks, Alaska, where I am chicken and dog sitting for my friends who are on vacation. I am actually quite terrified of chickens, and I have been since childhood when I discovered that they are actually tiny little dinosaurs and their feet creep me out. So for some reason I decided it would be a great idea and fun to 3D print them some chicken arms. We've got Hulk arms and armed chicken arms, and stay tuned for the video to see how this goes. Help! Oh, look at it. I caught a chicken! Well, there we have it. 3D printed chicken arms on chickens. That was definitely an adventure. Thank you for following along and subscribing. Please make sure to leave me some comments below. And if you have made some chicken arms for your chickens, please let me know. Send us photos. I would love to see your chicken arm adventures as well. Check us out at shop3duniverse.com. And till next time. Bye-bye!